Hello kids, welcome to Xenia platform. In today's session, we are going to create an interesting application. Kids, I'm just playing a sound. Just listen and guess it. Can you guess the sound? Yes, it's a barking sound. Okay, one more question. So, can you guess the animal? Yes, it's a dog sound. I hope now you have guessed our application. Yes, we are going to create an animal image with their sound. No more to time waste. Let's start into the project. I'm just going to enter into the platform of Xenia.io to create my project. Under this, I'm going to log in with my registered Gmail ID. So after logging into this particular platform, I'm going to create my project. I'm going to create my project name, project type and category. So let it be animals, sounds. My project is mobile and my category could be mobile. I have done the created. Once the creation part is over, it is landed with this platform where I am going to use only two palettes. One is the user interface and second is a layout. And even if required, I will be using media. If it is required, I will be using media. Okay. Yes. Initially, I am going to start with my layout option, that is vertical arrangement, dragging and placing on my screen one. And to make it is very effective, I am trying to change my height and width by choosing the option of fill parent. Yes, now it sounds good. Even if I want to change the background color, in the sense under the property, I'm choosing the background color and I'm choosing my maybe red. Yes, it's fine. If you want to change any other color, in the sense, you can go for the same background color. Under this, you can choose custom option. And again, to the layout, I'm going to use my horizontal arrangement, that is 1 and 2. Yes. Again, under the property, I'm going to change my horizontal arrangement of 1, height and width by using the same thing, fill parent. Okay. So I have done my horizontal arrangement of 1. Now I am going to repeat the same thing for my horizontal arrangement of 2. Selected this option and I'm going with the property and choosing fill parent of height, changing fill parent of width. Yes, now it sounds good. Yes, I have done my layout. Next, I have planned to insert at least 4 images of animal with their sound. For this, I am going to use the palette of user interface and the first option of button, where I need to use at least 4 buttons because I have planned to insert 4 images of my animal. So I'm dragging and placing over here my one more text button. So I'm placing my third and fourth button on downside of the horizontal arrangement of 2. Okay. Next, here also I'm going to change their properties like their height, width, everything I'm going to change. So I'm just going for the property. I'm using the option of fill parent and width 2. If required, I can change. Okay. Similarly, we are going to process for the text button of 2, 3 and 4. Same thing. I'm just clicking the button 2 and changing their height and width. Similarly, the fourth one. Okay. Okay, the width doesn't change. Okay, one more is pending. Okay. fill parent of height, fill parent of width. Yes. Now I have insert the 4 text button in this particular screen 1. Okay. If you want to change their name, you can change their name by using the properties. For example, I'm just going for the button 1. Here, I'm changing my text as dog and making as center. And if you want to change the color, or like if you want to change the background color, you can use the background color option, or else you can use the text color option. Okay. Now I am making this dog on my left side. Now I am going to insert the image. For this, I'm just going with the property. Under this, you can see an option of an image where you need to upload the file. Just click on the upload file, choose the file. Okay. If you want to upload the file, initially you have to download the file from the Google Chrome or Google any browser. For this, I'm just going. I have already downloaded the images of the animals which I required. If you want to download the images, just go for the browser and type whatever the images you required. I can show some example. See, under the browser, I have typed dog images cartoon. Just click on this images which you required and right click on it, save click, and rename the text file name as dog and save in which location you are required. This is very simple. You can download n number of images by using this browser. Okay. Now I am going to choose a file of dog. So dog, I'm just going to click OK. Yes, it has been shown over here. And similarly for my text button 2, if you want to change your text name, you can change it up, or else I'm just going to blank and I'm going to insert my second image, that is upload file, choose file, and maybe I can insert elephant. I'm just clicking OK. I'm going to repeat the process for the rest of the 2 buttons. Under property, I'm choosing upload file, choose file, and choosing the wolf image and clicking OK button. And I'm just moving on with the next button and inserting the image, choose file, maybe goat, and the text should be blank. Yes. Now my 4 images has been inserted in my screen 1. Before start with the next process, let me have a quick review what we have done. Yes, we have done the first step of the layout by inserting the vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. And second, by using the user interface, I have inserted the 4 button and even I have uploaded the images of which I required. Yes, I think you have understood so far. Before knowing, my next step could be like, after inserting the image, that is, my process should be done in my application is in clicking the each image or clicking the each image of the animal, it shows their sound. It need to show their sounds. Okay. For this, I'm going to use an option of under palette. I'm going to choose media, where you will have an option like a force sound. Just pick it up and place over here. Just 3, 4. You may notice under the component where we listed with the 4 sounds. Yes. We have placed the sounds. Now we need to upload the MP3 files or the sounds to complete this application. For this, I'm choosing this sound one, and under the basic, that is under the property, you might notice an option of a source. Just click on upload file, choose file. Already I have downloaded the file, that is the MP3 files from the browser. If you want to download the sounds for free, in the sense, you may go to the browser, just type it as free sounds, maybe like free animal sounds download. You can go to any website. I'm normally using the website of Free Animal Sounds, where it is easy for me. Just go ahead and download the file, download on their respective location which you are comfortable. Yes, I'm moving with my project. So under this, I'm choosing my file. So my first sound one should be a dog. So I'm just choosing this one and open and OK. My second file should be like an elephant. Okay, I'm just going for the same source, upload file, choose file. I'm choosing elephant and clicking OK button. And I'm just clicking the third one, sound 3. I'm choosing the upload file where I need to upload of wolf sound. Yes, I have uploaded. And my fourth could be its goat sound, upload, choose file, this one, and open. Yes, I have done my designing part. It is nothing but I have inserted the image and I have inserted the sound. Next, the very crucial thing and you should be very concentrated for this particular block. I'm just going for the block basis where we need to give an instruction to the application to execute this part. Under the block pages, I'm just going for my components of button 1. Okay, here I need to understand what logic I have to follow. Okay, I'm using my notepad. When image 1 is clicked, click mean that sound should be displayed. Remaining, that is my image of 2, 3, 4, their sound should be stopped. So this is what the logic where I need to create in this particular block. Okay, I'm going to for the first button, that is when I click on my first button, under this loop I need to insert my sound 1. I'm just setting as under the sound 1, I'm choosing call sound play. Yes, what is my logic? When image 1 is open, the image of the sound 1 should be played. Rest of 2, 3, 4 should be stopped. So again I'm going for the sound 2 and choosing call sound sound of 2 should be stopped. Okay, I need not to repeat this to go for this option. I can making this thing as duplicate. One more I'm placing over here. Again duplicate, placing over here where my sound 3 and sound 4 should be stopped. I have to repeat this same thing for my button 2, button 3 and button 4. Yes, for this I'm making the duplicate, right click, duplicate, duplicate. So I'm making to be very visible, just dragging on each corner. Now here my logic is, now here I have to choose button 2, that is sound 2 should be play, my sound 1 should be stop, 3 should be stop, and 4 should be stop. And similarly for here, that is button 3, maybe like sound 4 should be play, 1 should be stop, and 2 should be stop, and 3 should be stop. Similarly, here when button 3 is open, 3 should be play, 1 should be stop, 2 should be stop, and 4 should be stop. Yes, now my block code is completed. It is nothing but we have inserted a very simple logic behind it. Okay, let me see how the execution part is going on. To get the execution, that means to see the result, I'm just going for the live preview option. Under this, I'm going to choose Xenier Mobile Buddy, where we have already discussed on previous video. Yes, I have clicked the Xenier Mobile Buddy. It has shown my QR code. Let me check the result. Dear kids, I hope you have understood this session. In this way, you can create n number of images with n number of sounds by using this simple idea of this components and block. Let me check the application whether it works in my mobile or not. I already downloaded the app of Xenier Mobile Buddy. I'm just clicking on it, scanning the QR code. Okay. Okay, the process is going on in my desktop. Yes, in my mobile, the picture has been displayed. Now, okay, I'm just clicking the elephant image. Wow, good. Maybe I can try the image of dog. Yes, that sounds good. I'm choosing wolf. Oh, that's also fine, it's working. I'm trying the last one. Go. Yes, finally, my app is working. Try this app and enjoy the day. Thank you. Thank you for watching this session.